Hey YouTube fam, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? So this is a RC bashing video. One of my few working trucks right now, the Revo. It was working. I'm doing this intro after. I like to start doing some of my intros after the video. That way I know how it turns out and everything. Make sure, because sometimes I get out there to make a video, do an intro and everything, and 2 seconds in the truck breaks and the video's no good and the intro was for nothing. So anyway, this is a RC bashing video. I was over here at a construction site and they got some lots chopped into the dirt, and they made some walls good for jumping. I was having fun and it's a blast. Like I said, it's one of my only working trucks right now. I gotta get busy and get some stuff fixed around here. Been dragging, not getting enough done, trying to figure out how to get some income going. Anyway, that's enough of that. You guys don't care about that. But yeah, this is my Revo2.0, and I was over here messing around with this construction site, doing some backflips and having some fun. So I thought I'd make a cool video for you guys and let you guys check it out. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Oh yeah, by the way, this truck's got the belted trenchers on it. So it'll be good for some speed runs in the future. It's got belted, Proline belted trencher tires on it. So they're real durable. I like them. I haven't tried the speed on them yet, but I'm sure they'll handle a good amount of speed. I want to try that here soon. But that's enough of me rambling. Check out this footage, guys. If you're new, subscribe. If you like the content, and smash the like button for me and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Roll the footage.
I know you don't jealous me, I do what I want when I want. They are jealous me, I